Hello everyone, these veggie burgers are hearty, flavorful and full of vegetables. So ditch the meat and try this amazing veggie burger. For that, begin with adding 1 tablespoon of oil on a medium heated pan, and once the oil is heated, add 2 finely chopped onions and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes until translucent. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute again for another 1 minute. After a minute or so, add 1 peeled and chopped carrot and saute this well for another 2 minutes. Once this is sauteed well, add 3 tablespoons of boiled peas, 3 tablespoons of boiled corn and 3 boiled and mashed potatoes. For seasoning, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the raw flavor of the seasoning goes away. Then mash all the veggies well with the help of a masher. Once the mixture is ready, turn off the flame and add 4 tablespoons of cheese cut into cubes and give it a final mix. The patty mixture is ready. Allow it to cool down completely till room temperature. Do check on salt before moving on to the next step. Once the patty mixture has cooled down completely, take a handful of the patty mixture and press it down in the shape of a patty and allow it to be in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Once the patties are chilled and ready, create a coating. For that, take 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder and gradually add half a cup of cold water. Give it a good mix and make sure it's lump free. Once the batter is ready, take 1/4 cup of corn flakes and crush it with your hands and make coarse powder like this. Then gently place the patty in the batter and coat it well from both the sides. Lift this and gently dip it in crushed cornflakes. Turn it around and roll it from both the sides. Then gently place the patty in heated oil. These patties need to be fried on medium to high flame. Gently turn it over and fry from both the sides. All we need to do is get it a nice golden brown color on medium to high flame. Once the patties are fried, drain the excess oil and transfer it on absorbent kitchen towel and move on to the last part of the burger, which is the bun. Start with spreading some mayo on the burger bun, then the lettuce to catch the juices from the patty, then your patty, some caramelized onions, the link for which is in the description below. Top it up with a slice of cheese. And finally, the cap of the burger. And your amazing veggie burger is ready. On that note, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Lots of Cooking. Stay tuned for many such simple yet stunning recipes.